Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a polygon question and we need to find the value of x. This is a pentagon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. So first let's find what is the sum of interior angle of a pentagon. The sum of interior angle of any pentagon is given by, in the bracket, any minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, where any is equal to number of sides or angles. Any is equal to, let's find the number of sides, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So any equal to 5. The sum of interior angle, this is equal to, any we have 5, take away 2, multiply by 180. We are going to get the sum of interior angle of a pentagon is equal to 3 multiplied by 180, which we get 540 degree. But when we look our question, we don't have this angle. So let us find first this angle and then we are going to find the value of x. Let us give the letter to our figure. I'll call this figure as A, B, C, D, and this point I'll call as point E. Now we can see here line BC is parallel to line AD. Let us introduce another parallel line at the middle. Now we can see this angle is alternate to this angle. Now this angle is going to be 35, and also this angle and this angle, they are alternate, so they are equal. Here this angle is going to be 43. 43 plus 35, we get the total angle is equal to 78. This angle is 78. Let me call this angle as angle A. A plus 78, we got 360, that is a circle. A plus 78, this is equal to 360, a circle. So we get A equal to 360, take away 78. We get A is equal to 282 degree. But we know the sum of all this interior angle of a polygon equal to 540. So when I take 3x plus 4x plus 35 plus 282 plus 43, this gives us 540. 3x plus 4x, we get 7x, plus the sum of these angles is equal to 360. This is equal to 540. Take 360 to the right hand side. 7x is equal to 540. Take away 360. 7x is equal to 180 degree. 7x is equal to 180 degree. Divide by 7. Divide by 7. By 7, 1. By 7, 1. We get x is equal to 25. 5 over 7 degree. I hope you understand the question that we have done. Let me leave with you with another polygon question. We're supposed to find the value of x. You can comment your answer to the comment section. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.